Welcome to While You Are There. Join me as we hit the slopes and find out which ski and snowboard mountains in California are truly the best. First up, experience the ultimate thrill of skiing at Mammoth Mountain Ski Resort. With over 3,500 acres of pristine slopes, enjoy endless adventures and breathtaking views. With top-of-the-line amenities and world-class services, your winter getaway will be nothing short of extraordinary. With the highest lift-served terrain in the state of California at 11,053 feet and more than 3,500 acres of skiable terrain, Mammoth Mountain lives up to its name. Next, head to Kirkwood, with its legendary snowfall and varied terrain that'll keep even the most seasoned skiers on their toes. Kirkwood Mountain Resort offers a year-round mountain destination with abundant snowfall and breathtaking views. Skiers and riders of all levels can enjoy groomed trails, expert lines, and chutes. Experience the convenience of ski-in, ski-out accommodations, shops, restaurants, and a variety of other activities. Or consider North Star, with its luxurious amenities and family-friendly vibes that make it an ideal destination for beginners. With over 3,000 acres of skiable terrain, you'll find the perfect slopes for all levels. Located near the stunning north shore of Lake Tahoe, immerse yourself in breathtaking views and endless outdoor adventures. Who needs a vacation when you have this resort? Enjoy impeccable grooming, incredible tree skiing, world-class terrain parks, and a super pipe designed by Olympian Shaun White. Perfect for all skill levels, this resort offers a variety of terrain options to satisfy every snow enthusiast. Next, escape to breathtaking views and endless adventure at Heavenly Ski Resort. With over 360 inches of annual snowfall and 300 days of blue skies, it offers the best skiing experience in North America. Heavenly is the region's largest ski area, featuring the highest elevation at 10,067 feet and the longest vertical drop. But there's one resort that stands out from the rest, a hidden gem that offers the perfect blend of terrain, amenities, and location. And that resort is Snow Summit. Located in Big Bear Lake, Snow Summit boasts an incredible 240 acres of skiable terrain, with 31 trails and 14 lifts to keep you entertained all day long. What really puts Snow Summit ahead of the game, though, is its unbeatable location. Perched high above the San Bernardino Mountains, the resort offers breathtaking views of the surrounding landscape, not to mention its convenient proximity to LA and San Diego. And with its state-of-the-art facilities, including a high-speed quad chairlift and an array of ski schools and rentals, Snow Summit is the perfect destination for skiers and snowboarders of all levels. So, there you have it, my top 5 picks for the best ski and snowboard mountains in California. From the rugged beauty of Mammoth to the luxurious amenities of Snow Summit, each of these resorts offers an unforgettable winter experience that'll leave you hooked from the very first run. If you've got a favorite ski spot in the Golden State, be sure to share it with me in the comments below. I have also included a link to some amazing once-in-a-lifetime adventures and attractions. If you enjoyed this virtual tour, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more travel inspiration. Your support helps me bring you more exciting adventures. And if you want more travel tips and guides, don't forget to check out my other videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on my next adventure. Until then, keep exploring and discovering new places.